Man, so having that ENKEEO motion-activated game shell camera totally changed my perception of ratting around here. Normally, when I set my traps, I kind of do it blindly. I kind of anticipate where rats are going to be. I look for rat droppings. I look for little trails in the leaves and whatever, guessing kind of where they are. But using the night vision camera, I'm much better educated as to where they are. I can really pinpoint their most high traffic areas of activity, and I can put my traps there accordingly. So in previous videos, you've seen me put traps baited with new kinds of bait and peanut butter, empty traps just to help educate the rats and let them know that it's safe to approach the traps. But this time, tonight, I'm tripling down. I'm going to put 3 baited traps with peanut butter in the highest active area, and we're going to set the traps, we're going to check the footage later, we're going to see if we catch anything. And I'm coming for you, Big Rat. Let's see if we can do it. Boom. And just like that, the biggest rat that I've ever caught in my personal life and on this channel. Easily, I don't know, 12 inches from nose to butt, not including the tail. And look at how thick that tail is. I mean, that tail is, I'm not going to get anywhere near it, but that thing is as thick as my thumb. Huge rat, easily about 2 pounds. That opossum kind of eviscerated this large rat, so he's literally half the weight he is now. I won't show you the other side, but basically he's opened up and there's not much left to him, so I'm showing you guys the clean side. So because of that activity and because of the resulting altercation last night, all 3 traps were set off. Unfortunately, this trap was set off prematurely, couldn't catch another one, and that trap was set off prematurely by the opossum leaving the scene of the crime. Super happy to have one less rat outside because that's one less rat inside. They're starting to move into the main house and they're causing a lot of damage, so any rat I can get, I'll take it.